As a parent, you set some rules for your children. No chocolates before dinner, no extra screen, no late sleeping. But the moment you turn around, grandparent says, it's okay, let the children enjoy. अरे ठीक है, कुछ नहीं होता है, एक दिन कर लेने दो. And your rule disappears. Many parents feel frustrated but stay silent. Some react immediately in front of everyone. Some feel guilty for even feeling upset. If you relate to this, you are not alone. This is not just about chocolate or screen time. This is about consistency, authority, and emotional security for your child. In this video, we will discuss about a very sensitive but very common parenting challenge. घर की कहानी. Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Mindful Parenting with Dimple. Let us understand something important, that grandparents are not trying to spoil your child. They are expressing love in the way they know. They raise their child in different times. They may feel that being strict is unnecessary now. They may believe that grandparents are meant to be soft. So instead of seeing this as a battle, see it as a gap in expectations. But here is the truth. Children feel safest when adults around them are united. When one adult says yes and another says no, the child becomes confused. And confusion often leads to testing boundaries again and again. If today mama says no chocolate and dadi secretly gives it, the child learns something dangerous. They learn to divide authority. They learn that rules are flexible depending on who is present. That weakens the structure in the long run. So what should we do in such situations? Step number 1. Never argue with grandparents in front of the child. You say that I already said no. Why are you interfering? You create tension and insecurity. Children should not see a power struggle. Step number 2. Address the issue privately. Speak respectfully and acknowledge their love first. Then explain your concern about consistency. Step number 3. Create a clear, agreed boundaries. For example, sweets only after meals. Screen time only on weekends. If there are agreed flexible zones, everyone feels respected. Step number 4. Involve grandparents in the process. Ask their suggestions. When they feel valued, they cooperate more. So while framing or deciding the rules, अगर आप ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को भी इन्वॉल्व करोगे, उन्हें भी आप उनके सजेशंस लोगे, तो वो वैल्यूड फील करेंगे और वो जब जरूरत होगी तब आपका साथ देंगे. वो इंटरफियर नहीं करेंगे. अगर आपने वो रूल्स उनके साथ मिलके बनाए हैं तो बच्चे डेफिनेटली वो ज्यादा फॉलो करेंगे, बिकॉज वहां पे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी आपकी तरफ से बोलेंगे, बच्चों के लिए नहीं. Now let us talk about what not to do. Do not insult them. Do not say that you spoiled your own children and now you want to spoil mine. Do not use this harsh tone. Do not complain about them to the child. That damages the relationship deeply. Also understand that sometimes your child may purposely go to grandparents after you say no, and this is completely normal. They are testing limits. In that case, grandparents can respond with, what did mama say? If the answer is no, the response should be, then we follow mama's rule. That sentence builds unity and respect. See, grandparents के लिए वो हमेशा बच्चे ही रहेंगे. वो हमेशा यही सोचेंगे कि अरे बच्चा है, अरे छोटा है, अरे इतना क्यों डांट रही हो, इतना क्यों प्रेशर डाल रही हो, जरूरत नहीं है, आज हो जाने दो, एक दिन होने से कुछ नहीं होता. So, ऐसे सिचुएशंस में आपको बस उनके साथ बैठ के बात करनी है. उन्हें ये बताना है कि आपका साथ कितना जरूरी है ये सब रूल्स फॉलो करवाने के लिए. There was a boy named Aaron. His mother had a clear rule: no screen time on weekdays. One evening, Arav asked for a phone. She said no. After some time, she went to the kitchen. Arav went to his grandfather and said, "Mama never lets me watch cartoons. You are the best. You love me more." Grandfather smiled and gave him the phone. When the mother came back and saw this, she felt angry. She almost said, "Why do you always break my rules?" But she paused. Later that night, she respectfully spoke to the father-in-law in private. She said, "I know you love Arav deeply. I'm very grateful for that. But when our rules change in front of him, he gets confused. And it becomes harder for me to guide him." She did not accuse. She did not blame. She explained consistency. After that, they agreed on one thing: weekdays, no screen time. Weekends, flexible time. Unity was restored. Arav stopped running to different adults for different answers. What changed? Not the love, not the family, but the communication. So इसी तरह से जब आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं, वो आपके रूल्स को चेंज कर रहे हैं, आपके पेरेंटिंग में प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट हो सकते हैं, आप अकेले जाइए, उनसे बात करिए, उन्हें समझाइए, उन्हें बताइए कि ये करने से क्या हो रहा है और आपको कितना डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है पेरेंटिंग में. You told your child that no ice cream before dinner. Grandmother gives it secretly. The child happily eats and looks at you smiling. In that moment, what will you do? What will be your reaction? Comment below and we will discuss it in the next video. Walk calmly towards them, hold their hand and say that you're upset because you were still building, but pushing hurts. Let us find a way to take turns. Think about your reaction. The correct approach is first to address the behavior, not the emotion. You can say that I cannot allow pushing and then guide solution. Also understand that age matters. Toddlers under the age 2 to 3 struggle deeply with sharing because their brain development is still learning impulse control. Be patient. They are not being difficult. They are being 2 or 3 years old. Over time, with calm guidance, they grow into generous individuals. Generosity cannot be forced. It must be felt. So when your child chooses to share without pressure, celebrate it. See, grandparents are just trying to show their love in a different way. You cannot say that their way is incorrect and your way of teaching them and loving them is always correct. बस तरीका अलग है. ऐसे वक्त पे आपको बस उनके साथ जाके बात करनी है, उन्हें समझाने की कोशिश करनी है कि देखिए हमने ऐसे ऐसे रूल्स बनाए हैं, तो हमें बस आपका उसमें साथ चाहिए ताकि ये जो पेरेंटिंग का जर्नी है वो हम साथ में कंप्लीट कर सके. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम अ रूल इज ओवररूल्ड, डू नॉट सी इट एज डिसरिस्पेक्ट. सी इट एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर कन्वर्सेशन. हैंडल इट with maturity and calmness, because unity in front of child builds trust, and trust is stronger than any rule. So train your brains, as every child deserves an aware parent. If this topic resonated with you, share it with another parent navigating joint family dynamics, because strong families are built on communication, not competition. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.